So with international football returning with a full slate of European Nations League fixtures, that means it's time for the teams in the other parts of the world, including Jamaica, to start sort out our business. Because the last time we checked, the World Cup in Qatar still a keep. So the qualifiers must have to keep done. But seriously though, it is not only a matter of time before us here in CONCACAF get the green light to play international football. What then is the next move for the JFF and coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore? All we're hearing is that Jamaica running down another plane load of England-born players who we're not even sure will accept Jamaica. Yes, some of our actual players don't have no club, some of them not playing any football. And that right there is a major problem, as is the fact that Jamaica over the years depends a lot on a buoyant home crowd support in World Cup qualifying. Right now, the word crowd don't go with football anymore. In these times of uncertainty, we're not sure what to expect. However, we should not accept the excuse that everybody else is uncertain. We're not business with nobody else's uncertainty. It's the duty of the JFF to address our uncertainty. One thing for certain, the time allotted to sports commentary for this evening is up. So we most certainly have to lift up before them throw it out of the studio. Bye.